So you're interested in joining the Ally affiliate program. You go to ally.com, you take a look at their website, and you do what we typically do, and you scroll down to the bottom and you look for a link to their affiliate program. You don't see anything. You do see a huge disclaimer, of course, because this is in the financial niche, which does require a ton of disclaimers. But back to joining the program because you want to promote one of these products. For example, one of their checking and saving offers, or something from their list of credit cards, or something inside of their investment and retirement portfolio. So you go to Google and you Google Ally affiliate program, and you skip past the generative AI experiment and you check out the first few links. The first few links takes you over to a website that tells you can join Ally Invest program through Flex Offers or impact.com. Now, I've done a video on impact.com and how to join. I'll leave a link up in the cards. So you go ahead and you sign in, and you go under brands, all brands. You do a quick search for Ally, and you find that it is not part of impact.com. So you can't apply to promote or get any links to promote the products over at ally.com. So then you skip past the ally.com one because this is about becoming a lending partner. You don't want to become a lending partner. You want to be an affiliate. So you come down to Flex Offers. You click on that link and it starts talking about the Ally investment program, and you think you're on the right track. But it says, please note, we are currently not offering this affiliate program in our system, but we have similar programs in this category here at flexoffers.com. So again, you go back and then you take a look at the next one and you click on that link. You land on this page and you look and you scroll down and you see that they actually link out to the Ally affiliate program. If you keep scrolling, but you see here that you can click this to go to cj.com. But honestly, I don't really feel comfortable clicking this link. So I'm just going to go straight to cj.com, the trusted platform for affiliate promotions, another trusted marketplace for finding affiliate offers. If you don't know how to get started or you don't have an account, you can click the Get Started Here button. There's also a video. I will leave them up in the cards so you can check out exactly how to walk through this and set up your account. But if you already have an account, click log in. You log in to the CJ dashboard, and right now, as of me making this video, the partners link, it's not working. There's nothing showing up here. This used to say advertisers, now it says partners. So maybe they're updating that. So what you can come down here and do is under the advertisers, the one that they have featured here, you can click on one of those. It will take you over to the advertisers, and then you can type in the keyword Ally, hit search. And here you are going to see the Ally credit card and Ally deposits, or the banking and trading program for Ally. And you can simply click on that and you can see here more info as well as the program terms. So you can understand exactly what you're getting into as far as commissions. Here you can see the commissions for these are $0. So I'm not sure what the function of this link is. If you scroll down here or maybe go back to more info, it doesn't really show anything here as far as the commission rates. It does say EPC up here of $1.39. If you go back into that, there is a program features. Please contact us at partnermarketing@ally.com. So you might email them for more information. But if you're interested in their credit cards, you can click on this offer. Here you can see that this offer is, if we click on program terms, offering a $50 per order as a commission. So while it's relatively simple to find the links and find out information about the Ally Partner Program, of course we had to jump through a few hoops here with our initial Google, but now you don't need to do that because you watched this video. But let's go back and take a look if we were interested in promoting some of these offers. This is what, in my opinion, ChatGPT was created for. So I'll go ahead and I'll share the prompt that I use for ChatGPT to give you a good idea of the type of content you would need to create to promote this offer. So using the hierarchy of market, niche, topic, give me some topic ideas for promoting the products from this website. Of course, the website is ally.com. And then ChatGPT is going to do the thing that it does. It's going to reach out and read that website using the VoxScript plugin that I have here. And it's going to tell me about the market, which is the financial services market. And then it's going to give me a few niches: online banking, investment services, mortgage and home loans, personal loans and financing, financial literacy and education, which I think would be a great niche or a very cool niche to get into because you are just educating people. You're not actually making financial advice. And you can see here you have topics empowering your financial decisions, Ally's learning resources, and budgeting to investing, building a secure future. All here where you're talking about things over at the ally.com website or their bank. And you can also see here ChatGPT is giving you a little further information. These topics not only promote the products and services offered by Ally, but also provide valuable information that can help in building trust and authority with the audience when you are thinking about getting into any of these niches inside of the market of financial services. So that's all the information you need to get started with Ally and get up and running. If you want to join their affiliate program, check it out over at cj.com, the world's largest and most established partnership-based performance marketing ecosystem, or so they say here on their website. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.